Hello everyone! Today we're going to make these cool little gnomes. There are a few versions of the kits that I've put together, so don't worry if your gnome doesn't look quite like this. I'm going to show you how to make the base of this gnome, and you can decorate how you want with the pieces in the kit, or with craft supplies you may have. If you're going to make your own gnome at home without a craft kit, there's a link in the description below for the pattern. You might have to make the pattern a little bigger. The original size of this gnome has him standing at 5 inches tall instead of 8, and it makes quite the difference. But if you're ready, here we go. First, here are your supplies. A cone-shaped piece of cardstock for the base. A piece of felt shaped like this for the hat. A piece of felt shaped like this for the body. Yarn for your gnome's beard. Also a small square of felt to glue your gnome's beard to that I don't have pictured here. A wooden bead for your gnome's nose. And any decorations that you want to use for your gnome. I'll be making mine a watermelon gnome today. You'll also need a glue gun and the stick of glue for the glue gun. So your first step is forming this piece of paper into a cone. Roll the paper so that the bottom edges touch. I pinched the top together to help when I place the glue. Put glue along the inside just like this and press the paper carefully together. Remember, glue coming out of the glue gun is hot. And don't worry if it doesn't look pretty. The felt will cover the small cone, so it's okay. Set it aside. Now we'll start with the felt pieces. We're going to roll the felt together in the same way as the cone of paper. Put glue along the inside seam and press the opposite side together. You're going to put the felt bottom over the paper cone, just like this. Put glue along the bottom edge of the paper and place the cone into the felt and pull gently. Press the pieces together where the glue was placed just to make sure that they'll stick. That is the back of your gnome right there, so here's the front, and we'll set that aside. And we'll take the hat-shaped piece next and roll it together just like the other pieces. Put glue along the edge here. Carefully fold the edges together. After it's put together, trim off any excess felt to make this edge even. This is the front of your hat. Put the glue along the inside edge and pop it on top of the cone. This is the front of your gnome here, and I do see a little gap right there, so we're going to put a little bit more glue down, just like this. Now the base is finished. We are going to set that aside. Take out a ruler. With your yarn, you're going to measure out an 8-inch piece. I'm going to set that aside, and now we're going to start measuring out 5-inch pieces. After cutting out about 10 or 12 pieces, you're ready to start making your gnome's beard. Now I'm going to take my 8-inch piece of yarn, set the ruler aside, and I'm going to take 2 pieces at a time just to make the beard look fuller. I'm going to go ahead and fold those in half. Place it just under the 8-inch piece, and I'm going to pull those pieces through the loop that I've made just right there. And now we're going to pull it tight, and that is how you're going to string the beard for your gnome. Repeat however many times you want for the thickness of your gnome's beard. Pull them slightly together just so they're all next to each other like this. Alright, and once that is done, you're going to take the edges of your 8-inch piece of yarn and you're going to tie them together. I'm going to go ahead and do a double knot so it doesn't come untied. Okay, you should just be able to blend those pieces in with the rest. And this is your gnome's beard. We're going to take that small little square of felt, and we're just going to go ahead and glue with our low temp glue gun the beard to this little back right here, just to make it easier to attach to the base of your gnome. Take that small wooden bead there, this is your gnome's nose, and we're going to put it right in the center here. So put some glue down, and there you go, there is your gnome's beard with his nose. We're going to take that piece and put some glue on the back. And you're going to place it just up against the bottom of the hat so the nose looks like it's coming just out from the bottom of your gnome's hat. There is your base. From here you are done. You can use the pieces that are in the kit or any other craft supplies you may have yourself to finish decorating your gnome. Like I said, I made mine a watermelon. Looks great, guys.